discuss the size of the house, having 35 feet by 36 in size and has a plot area of 1890 square feet. This is the ground floor plan of the house. It has 2 BHK with 1 attached bathroom, and it also has a carports area. Moving towards the first floor, it also has 2 BHK with 1 attached bathroom, and it has a 3 balconies. This is outside for utility and viewing purposes. The top floor, it has 1 multifunctional space room and 1 bedroom with open terrace area. Moving inside from the entry gate, there is a wide parking lot having size 13 feet by 18 feet. The front land can be used as a sitting space or also can be used as a gardening space. A metal pergola is designed so as to give us canopy roof, which enhances the entry portion of the house. Beautifully grooving plaster with IES lighting provides a beautiful facade to the house. RCC pergola is also designed in the balcony space as it acts as a sun shading device. Overall, all the sides of the house are provided with the windows with enough ventilation. A modern compound wall is also designed, which enhances the beauty of the house. Similarly, the house looks like this from the bird eye view. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. I will be bringing such content regularly, so thank you guys.